Hello everyone, today I'm going to have a very useful video for absolutely everyone. I'll show you how to enlarge the time icon on your smartphone without any programs or apps. We'll only use the default settings, but they're well hidden. And unless you know where to look, you certainly won't find them. To give you an idea, I'm talking about the time icon at the top left of your screen. This value is usually very small on everyone. Mine is about average. And even if you hold your smartphone out to your arm's length, this value appears very small. And if you're walking down the street and take it out in broad daylight, it's very hard to see. And then, of course, you'll ask, why would we want to enlarge this time icon? I'll tell you that we look at this time icon about 500 times a day. And all of this is quite logical, because we constantly check the time. And it's all quite logical, because our lives are directly connected to time. That is, everyone looks at the time to know, for example, how much time is left until evening or until morning, or to do some other work. Now, of course, I'll tell you and show you everything. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with friends. So, I'll immediately answer one of the questions that will 100% be in the comments. And this question is, why bother if we can set up some kind of widget? For example, I also have a time widget set up. And this widget can be made even larger. You can even make it full screen. On the one hand, yes, widgets are useful, but now we're talking specifically about time, which is constant. Wherever you are, in which app, you only see this time, which is in the top left. So, what do I mean? For example, if you simply open YouTube and start scrolling or searching, what do you see? You only see the time. It's in the top left. You don't see the widget at the moment. There. And if you, for example, launch any other app, like Google Play, you don't see your widget. You only notice the time on the left. The same thing happens if you launch any browser or any other app. That's fine, of course, but that's only if you don't use your phone at all. We need to make the time permanent. This default time has become larger. To increase the time icon, you need to find your default settings. I think this won't be a problem. Every smartphone has them. By the way, this method I'm going to show you works on absolutely any model. Next, you need to find information about your phone. Click it. Then find your firmware version. If these are Samsung phones or similar models, they may say the build number. You need to quickly press the build number several times, about 5 times. It's telling me now that it's not necessary, you're already a developer. In your case, the first time it says congratulations, you're now a developer. Then go back to the main menu, where all the settings are. Now you need to find advanced settings. If you don't have advanced settings, look in the system section or just search through the main settings. As a last resort, you can use the settings search. Go to advanced settings. Scroll down here, find developer mode, and click it. Now notice there's no search option. There are a lot of different settings here, so you need to scroll carefully and find specific values. The name itself may also differ slightly on some models, so look for the numbers at the bottom. For example, I've already found it. Mine says 458 dpi at the bottom. Let me make it closer for you. And this is called the minimum width. You need to click on this line, and you'll see a menu like this. This value, for example, is 458 right now. It's different on every smartphone. Some have 430, others 400, 350, but you can change it. For example, I personally use a value of 311. You can try either the same, or a little larger, or a little smaller. That is, we can play around with these values and choose the optimal one that suits us. Look, for example, pay close attention to the current size of my time icon. It's 1250. I'll click OK. And now look how much the size has increased. Well, about 5 times, that's for sure. And now, at arm's length, the time actually seems much larger. And personally, I now find my smartphone much more convenient to use and can clearly see the time. This will be especially helpful for those with poor eyesight, as you won't have to constantly squint at the time icon. For example, the 311 value worked fine for me, but if it doesn't work for you, you can try 320, 340. This will actually affect this size. Look, if I go to the main menu, there's a mini reboot. And now, look, there's one caveat. The time icon remains large, but all the icons on the home screen have also become larger. So, if you rewind the video, you'll see that all these icons were small. If you go to settings, you'll see the font here, too, and it's much larger. These icons on the left side have also become much larger than before. So, they've grown along with the time. This doesn't happen on all smartphones, but if this happens to you and you're not happy with it, then watch this video to the end. I'll show you how to get everything back. And the time icon will remain unchanged. That is, it will remain large. Although I can tell you that I personally use this smartphone. And even this icon size is much more convenient than the small size. And even all these fonts, this is the most optimal size. It is both small and not small. But, of course, there will be people who will say, why do I need such huge icons? Why do I need such huge text, font, and so on? Quote. Now I will show you who wants to return all the icons to the same size. And the same applies to the text. To do this, you need to use the standard settings and here click on Search by Settings. The first thing you need to do is enter Icons in the search and go to change the icon size. Look, you get to the desired menu and simply drag the slider to the left, that is, reduce it, and go back. Now look further. Delete the word icons and now enter the text size. Let's go to text size and replace the S size. Well, I don't know what yours is, but if you have a different size, just make it smaller. Well, let's set it to the smallest one. And now let's go back. Let's exit. It's completely rebooting. And now I'd like to draw your attention to the fact that all the icons have become exactly the same size as before. That is, like at the beginning of this video, you can scroll through and take a look. And plus, if you go to the standard settings, as you can see, the font size has also changed to its previous value. That is, it has become small. And if you're used to these sizes, then use them from now on. But, you see, the time icon hasn't changed. That is, we've enlarged it by about 5 times. And it remains that way for now. And the smartphone is really great to use now. For example, I can easily launch YouTube. You see, the time icon is really big. It's very convenient to view both at arm's length and in daylight. This setting is very useful for everyone. Don't forget to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends.